Hello everyone, I am Satish Shekhar Misra and I'm having the experience of 18 years in oil and gas, mainly in the workover and the completion. So once well is drilled, completed and set on production, so with time the problems in the well start, and that problem could be due to many reservoirs, completion or wellhead. So the most common problem is that uh, during after some time of production the water cut increases, and this water cut is mainly due to the or water breakthrough from the pay zone, and this could have been delayed or avoided by controlling the production parameters of rate, choke size and everything. And but even though after some time following all this, maintaining all the parameters, sometimes breakthrough happens, and due to this the so injectivity test is done before the plan of the switch off. So before that we close the BOP. If the string is there, then we have to close the annular or pipe ram, and if string is not there, we have to close the blind or gear ram. Then fill the well with the brine or whatever the workflow fluid, and once pressure start building up, we should go to the maximum switch pressure, plant switch pressure, or and then once the pressure started building, we will allow to build up the pressure. Once the pressure is built up, now we'll continue the pump. We'll note down the initial volume and the final volume, and at that constant pressure we'll pump for 5 minutes, and based on that the difference in the volume that is comes in the formation, we can calculate the injectivity. So for injectivity, the total volume pumped by time 5 minutes, so it can be expressed in unit of barrel per minute. So in many situations, if the injectivity is poor, and we may need to clean the perforation and the acid jaw, and normally this is done just for the placement of the cement survey. So for the planning purpose, we need to calculate the volume of cement to be pumped. So volume, the cement slurry is prepared in the batch mixer of cementing unit. So first we have to calculate how much volume of the perforated interval to be covered. that is calculated based on the length of pay zone that need to be covered and the volume of that casing volume for that particular casing size. Now then we need some safety margin above the perforation. So that is normally 100 to 50 feet we take as a safety margin above the perforation interval. Then based on injectivity we plan for the squeeze job. The cement that is squeezed, that volume is also to be calculated based on the injectivity. So if we take too much cement, it will be a plug is going to be remain, more length of the plug is going to be remain in the well, and that more drilling we have to drill out the cement plug, and it will be time consuming also. And if the cement slurry is less, then the plug is not going to be shortfall of the length, and squeeze job cannot be successful. So this is based on the field experience and the formation, the history of the well and the nearby well and the past wells. We can plan for the cement squeeze volume. So then comes the selection of the cement. So based on the previous data, we select the grade of the cement, fluid loss, then the weight of the cement, slurry, thickening time, compressive strength of cement. Now comes the operation. So in that we run the stringer, that is the tubing mainly, on the drill pipe, and it is a place above the just against the other perforation bottom. And if we required, if the sump is too much, we can place some high vis steel also. Else we can and keep the open end against the bottom of the perforation. Now once it is placed, uh, circulate well, check for dynamic losses and pumping pressure, and also record the static loss. Close BOP and retest the injectivity of the well. Pump spacer, cement slurry spacer followed by workover fluid at 2 to 3 ppm. Check the return. The spacer volume is that once cement is placed, it should remain stable, no YouTube effect. Now pull out the stringer 50 feet above the top of the cement plug. Reverse circulate well to flush out any leftover cement in tubing and annulus. Further pull out 3/4 joint as a safety margin. Now close BOP and start squeezing cement in formation by increasing pressure in steps to maximum pressure. Continue squeezing till lockdown pressure achieved or plant squeeze pump volume pumped. Now close well for weight on cement. After once cement has achieved the green strength, open BOP, soft tag cement top to confirm whether plug is above the perforation or not. Pull out stringer, run in bit, drill out cement plug, carried out positive test, pull out bit, and if positive test is okay, go for negative test by reducing hydrostatic head, and if the negative is holding good, then perforate the well with required interval by wireline or TCP. So precautions we have to take during the squeeze job. While placement of plug, measuring the return volume, we can find out how much cement was lost in the formation. This volume to be subtracted to plant squeeze volume. During squeeze job, job if maximum allowable pumping pressure achieved before the squeezing desired volume, then we should go for hesitation method, wherein we allow the pressure to bleed in the formation and then pumping volume. Placement of cement, pull out of stringer, as squeezing must be completed with thin TT. Ensure no cement is in the tubing and none should be left, as after WC thing will get stuck. Thank you.